please remember that during the demonetization time, the introduction of 2000 rupee denomination was a very, very hard decision, very difficult decision to do that at that time, because fundamentally it works against the principle of demonetization. Demonetization of the higher denomination was the theme, and we are introducing another still higher denomination. That time it was required because otherwise the time required for printing large amount of 500 rupee notes, that much of capacity and waiting period was not possible at that particular point in time. That's why, as a tactical decision, it was taken that 2000 rupee notes will be introduced. So that's why it was very clear that we are unlikely to continue to print 2000 denomination, because it won't really be useful to continue. And as we saw in every year after year, no further 2000 rupee notes have been printed, and whatever has come back to from the circulation to the Reserve Bank of India, Reserve Bank has just kept it and not reissued.
True. So as this sort of process continues, assuming they will not be printing any new 2000 rupee notes, do you think it's okay for 500 to be the peak denomination for India, or there's been much debate whether 1000 needs to be reintroduced?
There has always been arguments all along that as the economy grows and the inflation impact is there, higher and higher denomination notes will be needed periodically. That's a standard principle all along we have been following. But recently, two specific developments have taken place. That is what has come will compel us to rethink on this long-held wisdom. One is that digital transaction has now come to stay, and large value transactions today through digital means it is happening, and that is and increasing also year after year. So that automatically means that lesser and lesser cash currency notes may be needed, and in addition to not just the absolute number of currency notes, even the higher denomination notes need not necessarily be available, because the earlier argument was that for transactions you will need higher denomination notes. That used to be the argument. That today we have an alternative in terms of the digital transaction. That is the first development. Second development, the inflation. Because again, as I said, that India had been an inflationary economy all these years, but post MPC in the last 5-6 years, we have established that low inflation will be possible to maintain on a sustained basis for longer years. So when that has now been demonstrated, going forward, inflationary impact on the value of the rupee is also going to be less and less. That also means that higher denomination notes need not necessarily be brought on in the same frequency as we used to have in the previous regime. So that's why a combination of these two factors, inflation, low inflation has come to stay, and digital transactions have taken a big leap. So in that process, we may not necessarily need to introduce higher denomination notes in the same set of like a previous period.